Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your antenna signal strength so you can position it in a good spot on your LG TV. And also you can do the auto tuning. So let's go to settings right here and click this. And then go to settings. Then when this page opens up, let's go to general. Then go on down to channels. Then let's go to channel tuning. Now let's go to the manual tuning instead of auto tuning. And we can choose antenna DTV or antenna TV. I'm going to go to DTV because that's where all my channels are found. And then under here you can see my signal strength. I got something playing in the background. So I can go to like 20. I can change the channels. This one's got no signal. So you can see there's no signal there. So I can go through all my different channels. And maybe there's a position that's better for one of these channels. So just go ahead and just find one of these. And you should be able to see the signal strength. So what was that, like 22 or 21 or something? So you can use this to adjust your antenna. And just look at the signal strength and the quality. So you can just go through here. So this one's only got 25 signal strength. So it's not very good. So depending on the location the antenna is coming from, you might have to reposition it like on the south end of your house, east, west, wherever. But go and just try a few different spots and see which one is best depending on which stations you're trying to get. And then you can go to add, you can add it in here. So this one says only 24. And it should just show like it did before when you hit a good quality signal strength. But you can add the channels in here manually if you want to go ahead and just get these. Looks like there's 69 total of them. But yeah, go ahead and check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech on videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.